Yo, what's up, Tech Squad? Welcome to my channel. Today I am dropping 25 epic Amazon gadgets to transform your work-from-home setup into a productivity powerhouse. From slick organizers to ergonomic gems, these finds will keep your desk clean, your focus sharp, and your style on fleek. Perfect for remote workers, students, or anyone craving a workspace glow-up. Stay tuned for my top pick and let's dive in. The Amy Hill Wood Business Card Holder brings class to your desk. This duo of holders, made from sturdy wood and metal, organizes your business cards with flair. Each holds plenty of cards, ideal for professionals at meetings or receptions. The smooth, polished finish adds elegance to any office or cafe setup, resisting wear for long-lasting use. Keep one and share the other, or use both for extra storage. This chic, durable accessory ensures your cards are always at hand, making networking effortless while elevating your workspace's professional vibe. The PegZone Desk Side Storage Organizer is your clutter-busting sidekick. This tough metal unit clamps onto your desk, freeing up space for laptops, tablets, or pens. Its ventilated design keeps devices cool, while soft pads prevent scratches. Available in black or white, it vibes with any decor. No tools needed, just clamp it on and organize. Perfect for home offices or creative hubs, this sleek organizer keeps essentials within reach, streamlining your workflow and adding a modern edge to your work-from-home setup with zero hassle. Jot down ideas in style with the Hurricane Glass Desktop Whiteboard. Its glossy glass surface is perfect for brainstorming or task lists, wiping clean effortlessly. Paired with markers and a duster, it includes handy storage to keep tools nearby. The slim, modern design slides neatly by your keyboard, saving space while adding a sleek look. Ideal for students or pros, it cuts desk mess and boosts focus. This durable, stylish whiteboard keeps your plans organized, making your work-from-home space more efficient and visually sharp for daily productivity. Keep cables tame with the Smartish Magnetic Cord Holder, aka the Cable Wrangler. Its strong magnets lock cords in place, stopping desk slip-offs. The non-slip base stays put without sticky residue, and a fabric cover adds a cool, modern touch. Cable collars work with any cord type, offering flexibility. Move it anywhere without a mess, perfect for offices or bedside tables. This smart gadget eliminates cord tangles, keeping your work-from-home setup neat and functional while bringing a dash of style to your daily tech routine. Elevate your comfort with the Zenrich foldable laptop stand. Built for laptops up to 15.6 inches, this aluminum stand adjusts to multiple heights, easing neck strain. It folds into a sleek sleeve for travel, with grips to secure your device. Its open design keeps your laptop cool, and the sturdy build ensures stability. Ideal for students, workers, or travelers, this portable stand blends ergonomic support with a polished look, making your work-from-home sessions comfier and more productive, whether at a desk or on the go. Glow up your video calls with the Neewer 5-inch ring light. This USB-powered LED clips to screens, offering warm, cool, or mixed light with customizable brightness. Its flexible clip adjusts angles, while the tripod swivels for perfect positioning. Compact and efficient, it's a go-to for streaming, vlogging, or meetings, giving you a professional edge. The bright, even light enhances your on-screen look, making this a must-have for creators or remote workers aiming to shine in their work-from-home setup with minimal effort and maximum impact. Charge everything with the Antane Power Strip Tower. This compact hub boasts multiple AC outlets and USB ports, including USB-C, powering several devices at once. A long cord adds flexibility, and surge protection keeps your gear safe. The touch-sensitive nightlight offers adjustable glow for late-night tasks. Its space-saving design fits dorms, offices, or desks, keeping cables organized. This sleek, powerful tower ensures your work-from-home setup stays energized and tidy, blending modern convenience with a stylish look for seamless productivity. Type in comfort with the Vadir Wrist Rest for keyboard and mouse. This memory foam set, covered in soft fabric, supports wrists during long sessions. The keyboard and mouse pads align naturally, reducing strain and fatigue. A non-slip base keeps them steady, and a textured design adds flair. Perfect for gamers or office pros, this ergonomic duo helps prevent wrist issues while keeping your desk sharp. Boost your work-from-home productivity with this cozy, durable accessory that makes typing feel effortless and stylish every day. Sit better with the Proto Arc seat cushion for tailbone. Its unique shape eases lower back pressure, using firm, infused foam for lasting comfort. Perfect for office chairs, cars, or wheelchairs, it promotes healthy posture. The breathable, washable cover and non-slip base add practicality, while a handle makes it portable. Ideal for long work hours or travel, this cushion keeps you comfy and supported. Upgrade your work-from-home seating with this ergonomic essential, designed to relieve discomfort and enhance your daily sitting experience anywhere. Tidy up with the KDD desk pad and organizer set. This modular kit includes a large leather-like desk pad, pen holders, a cup holder, and a tablet stand. The waterproof non-slip pad protects surfaces and fits laptops or keyboards. Customizable compartments keep supplies handy, cutting clutter. Easy to wipe down, it's built to last in offices or study spaces. This sleek, practical set organizes your work-from-home desk, boosting efficiency and adding a professional vibe that keeps your workspace looking sharp and ready for action. Navigate smoothly with the ProtoArc ergonomic mouse. This wireless mouse connects via Bluetooth or USB, linking multiple devices across platforms. Its upright design eases wrist strain, and adjustable sensitivity ensures precision. Quiet clicks suit shared spaces, and a rechargeable battery adds convenience. Side buttons speed up tasks, though limited on some systems. Perfect for long work hours, this mouse blends comfort and functionality, making it a stellar addition to your work-from-home setup for effortless management, strain-free control, and boosted productivity. Lift your screen with the HomeRaise bamboo monitor stand. This eco-friendly bamboo stand raises monitors to eye level, reducing neck strain. It includes a drawer and compartments for desk essentials, keeping things tidy. Built tough, it supports heavy screens with a natural, polished finish. Easy to assemble and clean, it's safe for homes with kids. Perfect for offices or cozy workspaces, this stand enhances posture and adds a warm, stylish touch to your work-from-home setup, blending organization with sustainable charm. Sit like a boss with the Felix King ergonomic office chair. This chair supports your entire body with adjustable height, tilt, and lumbar settings for a custom fit. Breathable mesh keeps you cool, and firm cushioning ensures durability. Quiet wheels glide without scratching floors, and a sturdy base adds reliability. Quick to assemble, it's ideal for long workdays. This sleek, supportive chair promotes better posture and comfort, making it a top choice for a stylish, productive work-from-home office that keeps you focused and relaxed. Maximize desk space with the Huanuo single monitor arm. It holds various screen sizes, offering full rotation, swivel, and tilt for perfect angles. The strong gas spring ensures smooth adjustments, reducing neck strain. Built from tough materials, it mounts easily with a clamp or bolt. Extending forward and upward, it's great for multitasking or gaming. This arm keeps your work-from-home setup tidy and ergonomic, boosting comfort and focus with a sleek, flexible design that adapts to your workspace needs effortlessly. Boost efficiency with the Note Tower Desktop Pro dual document holder. It props up multiple pages at eye level, simplifying data work or comparisons while easing neck strain. One-handed loading speeds tasks, and secure clips with grippy pads stay firm without desk marks. Its compact, movable design fits any setup. Ideal for busy pros, this holder keeps documents handy and organized, enhancing comfort and productivity in your work-from-home space with a simple, ergonomic solution that streamlines your daily workflow. Stay cool with the Solife Desk Fan, a lightweight, cordless gem. Its foldable stand adjusts fully, directing air where you need it. Multiple speed options, including a natural breeze, tailor to your comfort. The large battery doubles as a charger, perfect for desks, trips, or campsites. Its compact, stylish design delivers strong airflow without bulk. Great for all ages, this fan keeps your work-from-home space refreshing and versatile, adding portable, powerful cooling to your office or travel setup with ease and flair. Illuminate your desk with the Litone's LED desk lamp. It offers various light modes and brightness levels, from warm to cool, perfect for work or calls. Soft, even light reduces eye strain, and a high-quality output enhances clarity. The flexible arm adjusts easily, and the sturdy base moves without clamps. Ideal for dynamic setups, this lamp boosts focus and polishes your virtual look, adding sleek functionality to your work-from-home space for better productivity and a modern aesthetic. Kick back with the Arajaner foldable footrest, designed for leg comfort. Its soft cushion adjusts to various angles, easing strain during long sits. Built-in rollers massage feet, and the portable, foldable design suits desks, cars, or travel. Strong materials support steady use, with an option for added weight. This ergonomic footrest boosts circulation and posture, perfect for work or trips. Add this cozy, supportive piece to your work-from-home setup for relaxed, comfortable legs wherever you're working or relaxing. Show off your headphones with the core-minded universal headphone stand. This wood and metal stand fits all models with a padded rod and non-slip base to protect the gear. A small tray organizes desk bits, keeping things tidy. Its clean, elegant design adds sophistication to any office or home setup. Built to last, this stand keeps headphones handy while decluttering your desk. Elevate your work-from-home space with this stylish, practical accessory that blends seamless function with a polished, modern look. Work dynamically with the Ergear height-adjustable electric standing desk. Its tough frame shifts smoothly between sitting and standing heights, with presets for quick changes. Quiet operation and eco-friendly materials ensure reliability, while cable organizers keep your desk clean. The wide surface fits multiple screens, perfect for busy setups. Easy to set up, this desk reduces strain and boosts energy, making it a cornerstone for a healthy, efficient work-from-home environment that adapts to your flow with style and precision. Declutter with the Elastoria adjustable laptop stand. This aluminum vertical dock holds multiple laptops and a tablet, safeguarding against spills and boosting airflow. Adjustable slots secure devices tightly, with soft pads to prevent scratches. Its heavy base ensures stability, ideal for external monitor setups. Sleek and space-saving, this stand organizes your desk and enhances productivity. Perfect for multi-device users, it's a stylish, sturdy addition to your work-from-home setup, keeping your tech tidy and accessible with a modern, professional edge. Grow your workspace with the 3-in-1 desk extension shelf. This strong platform holds monitors, laptops, or decor, attaching via clamps for easy setup. Its durable build supports heavy loads with adjustable height for ergonomic viewing. Optional legs allow flexible placement, and the smooth surface cleans quickly. Perfect for offices or creative spaces, this shelf maximizes desk real estate and organization, reducing neck strain and keeping your work-from-home setup efficient, tidy, and tailored to your needs with a versatile, sturdy design. Type easier with the clear-look keyboard tray under desk. It rotates and tilts fully, aligning wrists for comfort. Mounted above or below your desk, with a wide platform for keyboard and mouse. A wrist rest, drawer, phone slot, and headphone hook organize essentials. This ergonomic tray cuts strain during long sessions, boosting productivity. Ideal for pros or home offices, it's a complete, flexible solution that keeps your work-from-home setup comfy, organized, and ready for seamless, efficient work every day. Upgrade your phone setup with the licensed cell phone stand. It adjusts in height and angle, perfect for calls, videos, or browsing. Non-slip pads secure devices, and a cable slot keeps cords neat. Built for thick cases, it ensures clear viewing. Sturdy and sleek, it fits desks, kitchens, or nightstands, supporting hands-free use. Ideal for creators or workers, this stand reduces strain and adds modern style to your work-from-home space, making phone tasks comfier and more organized with effortless, elegant functionality. Hide cable clutter with the core-minded cable management box. Made from natural wood, this large box conceals chargers and cords with a secure lid for safety around kids or pets. Cable clips and sleeves complete the tidy system, reducing hazards. Its warm, durable finish blends with any decor, perfect for desks or living spaces. This stylish, eco-friendly box keeps your work-from-home setup safe and organized, adding a clean, professional look while streamlining your tech for better focus and productivity. Boom! That's my 25 Amazon gadgets to make your work-from-home setup next level. My top pick is the Ergear standing desk for its game-changing comfort and style. What's your must-have from this list? Spill it in the comments. If you vibed with this video, smash that like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech hauls. Thanks for chilling with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.